When you initially log into the OsScopo app, you'll be presented with the projects page, where you can add a new project. Once you go into your projects, you can then create your locations. When you enter into your locations, you can now create your dimensions. These could be accounts, entities, orders, whatever you wish. We'll start with accounts. Once into your dimension, you'll be presented with rows and columns. You can rename as needed. You can also add as many columns as you wish. If you have a CSV file that you'd like to import, then be sure to make all of the columns the same number as the CSV. We can add and remove rows as needed. If you have another file, for example, I have this one that has 3 extra rows, you can then use the merge functionality. This will then add your extra rows and merge to what you have existing. If you need to find duplicates, you can use the distinct function. This will show you where the duplicates exist. You can do this for every column. So if you have different values, but the same account number with different descriptions, then you would just use the account to find your duplicate. Once you have your account file as you need it, then you can use the export functionality. This would enable you to export to integration tools with the CSV format. If you need to export the entire sheet, then you would just click the export, and this will export everything. If you just need to export individual columns, then you just hit the export button for the columns you wish to export. If you wish to delete columns, Then you can highlight the column you wish to delete, hit the delete button. You can use the breadcrumbs to go back to your locations, projects. There is also the search mapping function. This will enable you to find mappings of accounts in specific locations. For example, I wish to find an account. I would come to the projects, hit the search mapping button, select the project and the account that I'm looking for. This in turn will display the project location and dimension where this number exists. If it exists in multiple locations, then they will be listed also. If you're in a project and you wish to switch between dimensions, you can just go to the drop down and this will enable you to switch between